The 2026 Winnebago Grand Tour camper motorhome redefines luxury travel on wheels with its enhanced design, high-end features, and cutting-edge technology. From the moment you step inside, the craftsmanship and attention to detail become immediately evident. The 2026 model continues Winnebago's tradition of excellence, offering travelers both comfort and sophistication in a home-away-from-home setting. The exterior design has been refined with sleek body lines and premium paint finishes. Integrated LED lighting and updated chrome accents give the motorhome a more modern and upscale look. Its full body paint is not only beautiful but also durable, designed to withstand the elements during extended journeys. Built on a powerful diesel chassis, the Grand Tour offers a smooth ride, even on long-distance trips. The 2026 version includes an upgraded suspension system that enhances stability and handling, making it ideal for a variety of road conditions. The engine performs with confidence and strength, ensuring that uphill climbs or towing additional equipment doesn't strain the vehicle. One of the standout features of the 2026 Grand Tour is its advanced driver assist systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera view. These features provide peace of mind, especially for those less experienced with driving large motorhomes. Inside, the Grand Tour offers an exceptionally spacious layout with multiple slide-outs that expand living space at the touch of a button. Rich hardwood cabinetry, hand-laid tile flooring, and soft leather furnishings create a high-end residential atmosphere. The 2026 model introduces new interior color palettes and materials that enhance its modern elegance. The living area is equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including a large OLED TV, a premium Bose sound system, and smart home controls that integrate lighting, climate, and entertainment functions. These systems are now voice-activated and can be managed through a mobile app. The kitchen is designed for serious cooking, featuring high-end appliances such as an induction cooktop, convection microwave, full-size residential refrigerator, and dishwasher. The solid surface countertops and deep stainless steel sink contribute to a truly gourmet experience. The dining area is thoughtfully arranged with either a freestanding table and chairs or a U-shaped dinette option. Large panoramic windows surround the space, offering scenic views and plenty of natural light during the day. The master bedroom provides a tranquil escape with a king-size bed, adjustable reclining features, and under-bed storage. It includes a walk-in wardrobe, backlit mirrors, and USB-C charging ports on both sides of the bed. The memory foam mattress ensures restful sleep after a long day of travel. The bathroom area includes a dual vanity in some floor plans, and a full-size glass shower with adjustable water pressure. The use of residential fixtures and porcelain toilet further elevates the bathroom's overall quality. Optional heated floors are available in the 2026 edition, adding comfort in colder climates. For those working on the road, Winnebago has included a dedicated office nook in certain floor plans, featuring a built-in desk, overhead storage, and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity. This caters well to digital nomads or professionals needing to stay connected during travel. Storage throughout the Grand Tour is impressive, with well-placed compartments both inside and underneath the coach. The pass-through storage bays include LED lighting and slide-out trays for easier loading and access. Climate control in the 2026 Grand Tour includes multi-zone heating and cooling, utilizing advanced heat pumps and solar-powered ventilation fans. The insulation and dual-pane windows further enhance energy efficiency and comfort. Solar panels come standard on the roof, supplementing battery power and reducing generator use. Coupled with lithium-ion battery packs and an upgraded inverter system, the 2026 Grand Tour is more energy independent than ever. Entertainment extends outside as well, with an outdoor kitchen and entertainment center. A retractable awning with wind sensors provides shade and shelter, while built-in speakers and a weatherproof TV allow for open-air movie nights or sports viewing. Safety features extend beyond the driver assist systems to include automatic fire suppression, tire pressure monitoring, and enhanced security with digital locks and motion detectors. These additions reinforce Winnebago's commitment to passenger safety. The Grand Tour's mobile app has been updated for 2026, allowing remote control of nearly every system, from lighting to slide-outs and tank monitoring. This ease of control adds a layer of convenience that modern travelers increasingly demand. Water systems have also seen upgrades, with improved filtration, tankless water heating, and digital monitoring. These changes ensure clean and consistent water supply, vital for extended stays in off-grid locations. The overall layout options have been expanded in the 2026 model, offering greater customization. Whether buyers prefer more lounge space, a larger kitchen, or dual bathrooms, Winnebago offers flexibility in their floor plans. Sound insulation in the latest Grand Tour has been improved, making it noticeably quieter on the road and during generator operation. This contributes to the luxurious and peaceful environment within. The flooring material has been upgraded to a new synthetic blend that resists stains, scratches, and water damage. This makes it ideal for families, pet owners, or those frequently on the move. A hidden safe is now standard in select floor plans, offering a secure location to store valuables when parked or during excursions. This is a feature often requested by high-end motorhome owners. The lighting system includes dimmable LEDs throughout the cabin, allowing users to set the mood in each zone of the motorhome. Motion sensor lighting in hallways and bathrooms enhances nighttime convenience. Service access points have been redesigned for easier maintenance, reducing downtime and service costs over the vehicle's life. Onboard diagnostics also help alert owners to any potential issues before they become major problems. Customization options now include luxury finishes like granite countertops, mosaic backsplashes, and artisan woodwork. These upgrades give each Grand Tour a personalized, upscale feel that reflects the owner's taste. In summary, the 2026 Winnebago Grand Tour Camper Motorhome offers one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced travel experiences available. From comfort to performance, it meets the needs of serious travelers who demand high-end living on the road. It is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking to explore the world without leaving behind the comforts of home.